Hello, so today I'm going to attempt to paint a pumpkin instead of carving it because that can be quite dangerous and you can't be as intricate with the cutting, well, unless you get all the tools. And also kids can do this safely. So I'm going to try my acrylic markers, even just a felt tip will do. So let's draw a bat for starts. And I'm going to colour that in. So I've drawn the bat on with felt tip and I'm just colouring it in with the acrylic marker, which seems to be a lot more, less faint than the felt tip pen. So look at that bat, that's pretty good if I say so myself. So I'm also going to draw a moon. Oh, actually, this is a bat I did earlier, and I think this is a better side of the pumpkin, so let's go over that one as well. So with my white marker, I'm just going to draw the moon. Oh, if that works. No. So because I don't have a white marker, I'm just going to use some white nail varnish for the moon. You could also use paint, but this comes with a handy brush. It doesn't really matter if it's a bit crooked because I want the house to be a bit creaky and crooked and spooky, etc. Oh, a bit more like that. So it's just drawn this tree as well. I'm just going to colour it in. Maybe colour in the branches a bit thicker. And then use the marker pen on the actual tree. Because I think this felt tip is running out now. So this is what it looks like so far. I've painted the windows and door in yellow acrylic marker as well. Might paint another tree there and maybe the bottom black. Yeah, so I quite like it. What do you think? It's obviously it's a lot easier to do than carving. Like I said before, kids can do it. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!